please pause the video and read the problem. Here y is the random variable and it has a Poisson distribution with mean 1.5. First one. What is the probability of 4 or more severe weather events in a given year? That means we need to find the probability y greater than or equal 4. To find the probability, we should know the probability mass function of the Poisson distribution. Random variable of a Poisson distribution defined from 0 to infinity. Therefore, to find the probability of y greater than or equal 4, we need to consider each number from 5 to infinity. It is not possible. Therefore, I can use the complement rule. That is, probability y greater than or equal 4 equal 1 minus probability y less than or equal 3. Now we can write this one 1 minus probability y equals 0 to probability y equals 3. Now using the probability mass function, we can find the probability of each case and simplify. The answer is 0.065. Now number 2. A company buys a policy to ensure its revenue in the event of severe weather that shut down business. The policy pays nothing for the first such weather event of the year and 10,000 for each one thereafter until the end of the year. Calculate the expected amount paid to the company under this policy during a 1-year period. We know y is the number of severe weather events per year. So I can define y. If y equals 0 or y equals 1, then the company receives nothing according to this information. And if 2 or more severe weather events occur, a payout of 10,000 is made for each event. So I write down these two sentences using the given information. Right. Now I can write this as a function of y. Yes. Let me write down the payout as a function of y. So this is the payout function, that is dy. It is 0 when y equals 0 and 1. Otherwise, it is 10,000 times y minus 1. I think it is clear to you. Now, we want to calculate the expected value of gy. Right? Again, if you go back to the question asking, calculate the expected amount paid to the company. Right? That means we need to find the expected value of gy. Right? So by the definition, we can write down expected value of gy equals summation y goes to infinity gy times the probability mass function of y, which is the Poisson distribution, and mean with mean 1.5. So we can write this way. And you know here 0 because y equals 0 and y equals 1, right? It is 0. Then we use 10,000 times y minus 1 after that. Right. Here the summation part goes from y equal 2 to infinity. So what I do here, I take 10,000 out and I write down the summation part from y equals 0 to infinity. Then actually we know we add 2 extra terms. What are those 2 extra terms? That is y equals 0 and y equals 1. Therefore, I need to subtract these 2 terms. So that is the 2 terms I have subtracted here. Right. Note that this summation, what is this summation? It is the expected value of y minus 1. And also we can expand this expected value of y minus 1. Now let me simplify this. Okay, expected value of y is 1.5 because lambda is 1.5. So 1.5 minus 1 equal 0.5. Now we can find the expected value of gy. That is 10,000 times 0.5 minus 0 plus e to the power negative 1.5. And you can simplify this. Then answer is 7,231.30.